Guys, welcome back to another top 5 niches of the week. In this video, I have some good niches for you to focus on. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So our first niche for today is this Bengals. But the reason why I don't really want to call it first niche is because I did a search for Bengals, because that's what we should be doing trademark searches. So I did a search on trademark. If you have flying research, it's very easy. Just scroll down right here. It says trademark search, TM search. You click it, and you can also paste and you search. So the reason why I like using flying research for doing trademark searches, because it gives you the trademark searches all around the world, all the countries around the world. So this one is for the UK. This one is US, Germany, UK. So wherever you see 25, it means it's a clothing, and that's a department where searching for trademarks on that clothing. So as you can see, it says Bengals 25, trademarked in the UK, trademarked in the US, 25 again, trademarked in the US, trademark in Germany. Actually, this one is Cincinnati Bengals, but Bengals is actually trademark, guys, as you can see. So this first niche is not actually a niche because these Bengals is trademarked. And the reason why I even chose in the first place is because of the BSR. The BSR is, look at this fold, guys. Look at this. From 100 and maybe 50,000, it just dropped like a huge drop, and it has just is even at one right now. It's approaching one actually, and the overall trend is up. Current trend is up. That's why I even chose in the first place. Then I realized that Bengals too is trademark. So this is what we should be doing. What we say is share training like this. By the way, I'm using Fine Research for doing my best-selling t-shirts research. All the links to the tools I'm going to talk about is in the description below, together with the discount codes. So I use Fine Research for design research, and I came across these Bengals, and I would have recommended it to you guys as the first niche, but I can't because Bengals is trademarked. So don't focus on this niche. I just wanted to give you an example of niches that are doing quite well, but we need to take into account that they are trademarked. So another niche that is also doing quite well, but we shouldn't focus on is this just Ramit. So I also did a search for Ram, RAM, and just like Bengals, is also trademarked. Look at it right here. It has been filed in Germany, filed in the US, 25. Let's see what 25 is it again. 25 here. Actually, it is registered in the US right here. So as you can see, we also can't use this design or use the word RAM in it because RAM is trademark, although it's doing quite well. Another reason why I chose it is because overall trend is up, current trend is up, and it just fell. Like, look at this right here. September 21st, it just fell. Boom. And it's approaching one. So that was why I even came across it in the first place, is because it's doing quite well. It's a bestseller. But I had to do some research and actually search if this niche is best to recommend, but I can't recommend it because it is trademark. So this is another example of a shirt that you shouldn't make because it is trademark. Even though it's doing quite well, I don't recommend it. So let's get now into the niches of today. The first niche is this tiger shirt. Actually, it says it could be used for a birthday shirt, and it specifies that it's for boys. So if I were the one, I wouldn't do that. I would say, oh, birthday shirt for boy, because a girl can wear this too. There's nothing on it that prevents a girl from wearing it. So if I were the one, I would say birthday shirt, like birthday or holiday shirt, birthday shirt for anyone. Yeah. But if you want to include boys, girls, kids, you see, he did that or she did that right here. It says perfect gift for adult men. He even said adult men, kids' birthdays. So why would you come up here and say for boy? People, most people read the title and they don't go into reading the bullet points. So you really need to be careful with your bullet points. Anyway, the shirt is doing quite well. It's priced 19.99. I'm sure it's doing quite well like this because of the Chinese New Year, the year of the tiger. I'm sure that's why it's doing quite well at this price. So take a look at the BSR. Our trend is up, current trend is up. It has been falling and falling and rising since October 15th. And right now it's at 1. Look at the BSI, guys. Or it's approaching 1 rather. So it's doing quite well. As you can see here are the keywords that they used: striped animal and the rest. So that was it for niche number 1. Have you so I'm moving over to niche number 2. Actually, this is not niche number 2, it's still in niche number 1 because it's still related to a tiger and related to the Chinese New Year tiger, themed tiger. So you just have here a tiger eye. It's really a cute design, this design right here. And you have a claw slashing through the shirt. Very unique design. So this one too is doing quite well. 15.99. Overall trend is up. Current trend is up. Look at that. Fell, rise, fell all through the year since October 15th. And look at this, approaching 1 2. So this design is doing quite well. That was it for our first niche. Next niche is Black History Month. So this design is new. The reason why I'm even talking about Black History Month is because this design is new. So if I can enlarge it, let's go to Amazon and see if I can enlarge. So let's enlarge this. It says ABCs of Black History. You have Benjamin Davis Sr., Claudette Colvin, George Washington Carver, Frederick Douglass, a bunch of names that are very significant with Black History Month. You have John Lewis, who else? So many people, Oprah Winfrey, Thurgood Marshall. Whoever did this is really unique. Maya Angelou, activist Stacey Abrams. So many people who even President Barack Obama is there. So many people. Martin Luther King Jr. Yeah, I would have been surprised that they didn't include him. Yeah, so many people who are very significant with Black history or Black History Month, activists like that. All of them here in cartoon form. So it's a very very unique concept together with, because I've seen several shirts like this that have their names on it, but I haven't seen a shirt that has their pictures on it. So for people who don't know how they look like before, they can definitely see it on this shirt. So I don't know the reason why this has a 2 ratings. Like maybe people are not liking this. I really don't know why, but women's large runs very small. Oh, it's just the size, which has nothing to do with the designer. Let's see this other one. Yeah, so for now this is the only review, and it was on February 2nd. So it has nothing to do with the design, say the design is poor or something like that, very low quality design. It's actually with the size, which has nothing to do with the designer. So this design is actually 224 people have purchased it, and just a few people have written reviews. Just give it a few minutes. Let's see when this was even purchased. Sorry, uploaded. When was this uploaded? We can tell by just going back. So uploaded on January 21st, 23rd. January 23rd, 2022. That's when it was first uploaded, and it already has a bunch of sales, like 200 and what? 224 sales, So that when you create a good shirt, a unique concept, people will likely buy it, guys. That's just the truth. So this is an example, ABCs of Black History. Oh, it's actually ABCs. Wow, guys, look at this. Um, let's see. There's a A for Audre Lorde, B for Benjamin Davis Senior, C for Claudette Colvin, D for Dr. Rebecca Lee. So it's actually A, B to Z. Z is ZP Jesse Owen. Yeah, so wow, it's actually a unique concept for kids. I'm sure many kids will be buying this, especially if they want to learn the letters of the alphabet. This is very good for them, but adults too can wear this, so it's a very unique concept. Let's move into the next niche. Oh, still in the same niche of Black History Month. This is another shirt that is talking about with their faces in it. This one doesn't have their names, but it has their faces. So this is another nice concept. It says my roots, and have so many people who have, many of them are activists, so also another unique concept. And let's take a look at this. Price 19.99, World 204 sales. Our trend is up. Look at that, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then I'm approaching one. So this Black History Month. Let's move into the next niche. So next niche I teach, this is on Valentine's Day niche. I teach the sweetest little hearts. So many people do shirts for Valentine's Day and often forget teachers. They mostly do Valentine's Day shirts for couples. I love her P personality. I love her. I love his D for dedication, something like that. Yeah, those designs are for couples. Then the most of the time they forget kids and their teachers. So this design is specifically for the teachers and their kids. They're gonna spend that day in class before going home. I teach the sweetest little. I teach the sweetest little hearts. So it's a cute design. Over 216 sales, price 19.95. Um, what else? Our trend is up. Of course, it's Valentine's Day. What do you expect? Next, we have my class is full of sweethearts. Same for teachers. Teachers, um, Valentine's Day shirt, kindergarten. So price 13.99. Over 230 sales. BSL. Look at that. Our trend is up. Current is up. It just down, up, and it's approaching one. So this design is doing quite well too. Next niche is young, gifted, and black. So this is another Black History Month shirt, and it just says young, gifted for Black girl magic and Black history t-shirt. So it's also a nice design. Price is 99. Also doing quite well. Over 218 sales. Our trend is up, and let's take a look at this deleted designs. So deleted design segment. Let's take a look at the zombie. Of Are you kidding me, guys? Zombies are trademark, right? Let's see. ZOMBIE. Zombie. There are different words with zombies that are trademarked, like this one right here. It says cycle zombies. So zombies in itself, the word zombies is not trademarked. So I really don't know why this other one right here is removed. Ask me about my zombie. Maybe a design like this already exists, who knows. So I'm just going to do a quick scroll so you can take a look at oh, 6th grade, where the adventure begins. I don't know why this one too is trademark. You have 6th grade, kindergartens, preschool. So that's the beauty of scaling your designs. Ask my mama zombie again. Maybe this is a character from a cartoon or something, because I don't know why this is getting pulled. So this is the beauty of scaling. You have kindergarten, preschool, 2nd grade, 1st grade, 16th grade, 6th grade. Sorry, yeah. So you have the one for pre-K. I don't know why it's getting removed. So these are the designs that are getting removed. um I can't read. Oh gosh, guys, are you kidding me? This is a character from a movie, cartoons. You can't use this. Whoever is doing that shouldn't do that. Anyway, they already got their design removed. We can also do emojis, guys. So if you don't know what you should be doing, uh, don't do anything related to movies, cartoons, characters from movies and cartoons, anything related to emojis, trademark names, New Lin. Hmm. I don't know about a Newcastle. These are names of let's take a look. Newcastle. Newcastle. The best thing is just to do a search, guys. That's why I like using Fire Research Guide. It gives me a search, the search for all the countries, because what I do is I send my a single design to all the platforms. I send it to US, UK, Germany, Italy, France, all of them. So that's why I like doing searches here. So in case I want to use a word and it is trademarked maybe in France, take for example, and it's not trademarked in the US, then I will not upload that I'm not going to use that word because it's going to be triggered in France. Once it's triggered in France, the whole design will be rejected. So that's why I like doing trademark searches here, because it gives me searches for the whole world, all the countries around the world. So as of now, I don't see Newcastle being trademarked. I don't know why this design is getting rejected, but I'll just do a quick scroll. Like I said, these are a bunch of designs that people have submitted and they've gotten rejected. It's possible that this looks like a character from somewhere, maybe a movie or so. Daddy Shark. Yeah, this is definitely on YouTube. When you're around kids, you tend to see what they watch, even if you don't want to watch it. So Daddy Shark is trademark, guys. What else? Um, okay, Daddy Shark again up there. So, guys, if you have Flying Research, you can do this on your own. There's a bunch of shirts that have been removed. If you want to take a look at it and see what has been removed, to try not to do the same thing. I'm Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. Maybe this is a character. So we definitely don't do characters, guys. So I'm oh wow, look at this. Oh, okay. I didn't see well. Anyway, guys, so that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.